Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you the most professional and accurate way to fade an image into transparency right here in Adobe Photoshop. If you have ever struggled with harsh edges or needed to blend a photo seamlessly into a background, this tutorial is exactly what you need. This technique uses layer masks, which is the industry standard for non-destructive editing. It allows you to adjust your fade as many times as you like without ever losing your original image data. If this video helps you master your workflow today, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more Photoshop tips. Let's dive straight into the workspace. First, go ahead and open your image inside Photoshop. Once your file is loaded, head over to the Layers panel on the right-hand side. You need to make sure that the layer containing your image is selected. If your image is locked, just click that little padlock icon to unlock it so we can apply our mask. Now, look at the bottom of the Layers panel and find the icon that looks like a rectangle with a circle inside. Click that to add a layer mask to your image. You will see a white box appear next to your image thumbnail. Next, select the gradient tool from your toolbar or simply hit the letter G on your keyboard. With the tool active, look up at the top options bar. You need to ensure that the gradient is set to a black to white transition. This is the secret to the whole process because in Photoshop, black on a mask represents complete transparency, while white represents full visibility. Click on your canvas and drag your mouse in the direction you want the fade to happen. You can drag further for a softer, longer fade or keep the distance short for a quicker transition. Experiment with the angle and the length until the fade looks perfect for your specific project. Because we are using a mask, if you make a mistake or want to change the flow, simply drag the gradient again to overwrite it. It is entirely non-destructive. Once you are happy with the fade, your image is ready to be placed over a background or text. It really is that simple to get a clean, professional result. I hope this method saves you a ton of time on your next design mockup. If you found this guide helpful for your creative projects, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.